With damage totaling millions of dollars across the area, a lot of people who have insurance are hopeful that they can get some financial help needed to clean up the mess or repair a vehicle, on and on.
Right. Many people have been emailing Help Me Hank asking what's covered and what's not. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester is live in Taylor. And Hank, many people are worried it could take a while to get help that's needed.
Yeah, Kimberly, unfortunately, that's the reality when you have a situation like this one. If you look up and down the street here, you can see trash cans everywhere. Unfortunately, a lot of people likely having to pitch possessions from inside their home because of all the flooding. And as you mentioned, a lot of people tonight wondering just what is covered, what isn't. So we went to the insurance experts for a few answers.
The damage devastating. People seeing all of their possessions destroyed. It's heartbreaking.
When I went down there, I'm like, oh my God, like all of our stuff is like gone.
Hopefully most are insured, but that doesn't necessarily guarantee coverage for an event like this one.
Document any type of items that may be damaged. Pictures are helpful, but one of the most important things is to remove as much water as possible.
Many insurance policies require a specific rider for problems like this when water is brought inside through a sewer line. Flood insurance covers larger weather events when the water rushes in through windows or doors.
Best thing is to always contact your insurance agent regarding coverage for any type of water or other damage to your home. And also, when you call your agent, that's a good time to go over and make sure you have the proper coverage that you need.
Car policies for events like this one are more forgiving.
The comprehensive, again, flooding goes under the comprehensive portion of your policy typically. And there's usually a deductible involved. So again, contact your agent to see if you have that coverage and see how much that deductible is.
Two really important pieces of advice that I want people to remember. Document everything. Take photos of all the damage. Make sure that information gets directly to your insurance provider. And also, for those of you that don't have damage, this is a good time to reach out to your insurance company. Know exactly what policy you have, what is covered, what isn't, in case something like this happens in your neighborhood. We're live here tonight in Taylor. Hank Winchester, Help Me Hank.
Yeah, good advice, Hank. So what about federal help? Is there any indication or hope that federal help may come around?
And Kimberly, there is the possibility. We know that lawmakers who represent our state right now in D.C. hoping to push forward with some possible FEMA declaration, but right now that's just beginning. Again, it could take some time.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. Okay, thanks, Hank.
And we are going to have